Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Tips and Tricks. I hope you are doing great and I am back with a latest styling inspirational video especially for Muslim ladies because in this video I'm going to share some beautiful hijabs outfit and how can you wear hijab in a different and stylish way and make you look beautiful, classy and elegant by wearing hijab. So enter the realm of elegance and modesty with a collection of stunning hijabi outfits for women, where fashion meets faith in a harmonious blend. Embrace the beauty of modesty with these thoughtfully curated hijabi outfits. Each ensemble is a celebration of style, grace, and cultural richness. From flowing abayas to kick maxi dresses paired with hijabs, these outfits are a testament to exquisite craftsmanship and impeccable tailoring. These versatile ensembles effortlessly cater to every moment of a woman's life, whether it is a casual day out, a formal event, or a special celebration. Empowering and dignified, these outfits not only reflect modesty but also speak volumes about personal style and cultural identity. So elevate your style, embrace modesty, redefine fashion with these stunning hijabi outfits for women, where tradition meets contemporary flair. I'm going to discover the art of elegance hijabi outfits for the women who execute grace and confidence in every step. So, must experience the beauty of modest fashion with these elegant hijabi outfits, a symbol of cultural pride and timeless grace. I hope you like all these hijab styles and how can you wear hijab in a very different way and make your outfit stylish, comfortable. By wearing hijab, not only you look dumb, but you will look classy, beautiful, and elegant. So, must wear hijab if you are a Muslim lady and wanted to wear hijab and make you look elevated. Then please watch this video till the last because in this video you will get latest ideas that how can you style your outfit by wearing hijab. And must subscribe my channel because my channel provides you with the styling inspiration. Thank you so much.